Hello everyone, thank you very much for joining me. I'm going to give you a look at a very cool crop circle that appeared in the Wiltshire on July 2nd. So it's been a few weeks, but I thought this one was worthy enough to give you a look at. And you may have noticed that spiral or vortex formations are pretty common, and this one is very beautiful. And these types of formations are seen all over nature. So it looks like a galaxy. It looks like the vortexes that are on top of our gas giants in the solar system. And to me, it also looks like what I see in my third eye when I begin to lucid dream or astral project. So, in the universe, in one way or another, everything is gravitating toward a central source. So, that's the message that I am taking away from this formation. And I have been working with my guides on entering a multidimensional state to be able to absorb the entirety of the energy that is being produced by these circles that you can only do in a multidimensional state. You do get certain residual energies just by viewing the footage and visiting the circle physically, but much can be done in a multidimensional state, and that's kind of what they're designed to do, and that's something I will be sharing with you guys. So thank you very much for watching. If you enjoy this formation, please leave a like and share the video. Thank you very much.